Hi guys, just another system installed by Iceboxauto, supplied and fitted to this Vauxhall Insignia 2014 plus up to the 2017 model. This is the large screen type, which is the 9-inch screen with the frame, and it's our DHG model range, which is a Android 11 8-core processor. It works with steering wheel controls. Now you can get rid of that little beepy button if you want, so you don't have to have that on. Also, it works with the hazard buttons and the traction control. So I'm just going to give you a little demonstration today on the system itself, just to show you what you'll get for your money. So on this Navi system here, we've pre-installed Waze onto this system here. This is the customer's preference, so we preloaded all the maps beforehand. I've not got my Wi-Fi connected at the moment, so it's not going to basically show you anything there because it needs a data connection. Okay, there's the radio interface. So obviously you can switch the RDS on, which is just here, just to give you the radio station names. You can see that one popped up there, and you should get another one pop up there. Well, there you go, Radio City, so that'll preset itself. Next thing I'll show you is the Bluetooth menu. Again, I haven't set my phone up to it just yet, so basically that's the interface there, which gives you phone book support. Video, it's where you play all your videos through, so you can put them on a USB pen. And let's go into the applications. So as you can see, the applications there, this one's the CarPlay here. I won't show you today because it's not set up with my Bluetooth, but obviously there's a few other applications here like Chrome, Google Maps on there, music navigation, and also Play Store icon there, so you can download your applications. I put Prime Video on myself. Spotify we've preloaded. What 3 words, Waze and YouTube is what we've loaded also. Also, you can see that it shows you some of the computer cards information in there, so it shows you all what it used to be on the older system. The voice search, that's another, oh, excuse me about the camera, apologies. The voice search on there is another Google applications type system where you can speak to it and it will obviously find the Google browser search that you'd normally expect. Let's have a little look at that one. Okay, that's the DVR camera that we fitted today. That's obviously for a collision camera, which is good for insurance purposes and recording your driving data. We have fitted the rear camera today, but we're just finishing that off in the back. So obviously I'm not going to put it into reverse while the engineer's there. So yeah, just pretty much an all-round summary of the system. If you've got any questions, get in touch with us and I'll be happy to help. All your products can be found on Iceboxauto.com, and you get a 2-year warranty, lifetime support, aftercare support and video conference calls. So if you're having any struggles through the installation of the product, we can help you out by video. Okay, thanks for watching.